Everyone, Brian from D.I.G.S Marketing here. Today, I want to talk about one of the biggest mistakes I see B2B companies make with their email marketing. Spoiler, it's all about how they measure and implement their email nurture program. Gone are the days when people would just request a demo from an email. It just doesn't happen anymore. Think about the last time you've ever requested a demo from an email. Still, so many B2B software companies that I talk to measure their email success based on demos scheduled directly from that email. Again, if you can get people scheduling demos directly from your email nurture, that's amazing. Hats off to you. But after working with 10 plus B2B software companies this year, I can assure you this is basically impossible for software that's high ticket items. I'd like to propose a better way for B2B companies to approach email marketing. The goal of email marketing should be to drive engagement that leads to sales follow-up. When you have an email nurture or email program, the goal and what you want people doing is clicking those emails, opening those emails, and overall engaging with those emails. It's not directly replying or booking a demo to with those emails. Instead, what we can now do is what we should do is give a list to the sales team of people who have engaged that they can then prioritize follow-up with and book new opportunities with. This whole process provides sales with warm lead lists that are super important in order to drive opportunities. It's why we track email success by running reports that show of how many people have engaged have then become sales opportunities at a later date. Again, it's not directly attributed to email, but we can say of these new sales opportunity, X% were influenced heavily by email marketing before a sales rep follow-up. I think the biggest mistake software companies make with email marketing and email nurture is just that their expectations are off. They just expect people to book demo directly from the emails, like I said, which just leads to a thought that the email program is a failure, even if it's not. I think it's misaligned expectations. If you can prove that people are engaging with your emails and then later becoming an opportunity, I think it makes a great case for investing more in email marketing and email nurture because we know that program is leading to higher volume and higher quantity of new sales opportunities being created with people who have engaged with our emails. So yeah, if you're struggling with your email marketing, I think you just need to rethink your expectations and focus on driving engagement and then measuring that engagement down the funnel. Pass those engaged leads to your sales team and then track how those are converting down funnel. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps your email marketing and gives you some thoughts about email nurture moving forward. If you have any questions or are interested in learning more about how D.I.G.S Marketing can help your email marketing and your email nurture programs, feel free to shoot me a line, comment on this video, or send me an email at brian@digsmarketing.com. Thank you.